In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Dictionary to Chrome. This quick setup will let you look up word meanings instantly as you browse so you can learn on the fly without leaving the page. Let's start inside Google Chrome. With Chrome open, head to the Chrome Web Store. The Web Store is Google's official marketplace for extensions, so it's safe and designed specifically for your browser. You can get there by searching for Chrome Web Store in the address bar and opening the official result. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top to look for Google Dictionary. You'll see several results, so choose the one from Google to ensure you're installing the official tool. Click the button that says Add to Chrome. Chrome will prompt you with a small pop-up asking you to confirm. Go ahead and click Add Extension. That's your permission for Chrome to download and install it. Now wait a few seconds. Chrome will handle everything automatically in the background. When it's done, you may see a brief confirmation message near the top right of your browser letting you know the extension was added. If you don't immediately see the icon in your toolbar, no problem. Click the Extensions button. It looks like a little puzzle piece near the top right. In that menu, find Google Dictionary and click Pin so the icon stays visible on your toolbar. If you had pages open before installing, refresh those tabs, or simply restart Chrome to make sure the extension is fully active. Now you're ready to use it. After installing, double-click any word on a web page and a small pop-up will appear with its meaning. This is great for quick lookups while reading articles, doing research, or studying vocabulary. If you want more detail, click the dictionary icon in the toolbar to open a fuller view. That gives you a complete definition in a dedicated panel without disrupting your browsing. From here on out, that's all you need. Just browse normally and call up definitions on demand. If a definition doesn't appear right away after installation, a quick tab refresh or a Chrome restart usually does the trick. And remember, keeping the icon pinned makes it easy to access whenever you want a more comprehensive definition. That's it. It should work right away after setup. You've successfully added Google Dictionary to Chrome, and you're ready to make your reading smarter and faster.